This took me a lot of tries to finally get down. This is what's called a prime factorization engine, which I utilized with my limited skills using Python code. The trick here is a divisor. So what happens is the divisor keeps on increasing based upon the modulus not equaling 0. And so basically, as the modulus is not equal 0, the divisor keeps on increasing until it actually does. And when it does equal 0, then basically it goes to this little loop right here. It appends the list, then divides the input by the divisor. And you could see how the math would work with that. And then at the same time, multiply all the numbers in the list. So we take like an example, let's say real fast, anything like that. It automatically gives you the prime factors. Kind of cool little engine. You could put it in a function if you like. It works a lot better probably in a function. But this is the main engine itself. Catch you guys in a bit. Bye.